Ibiza, with its beaches for every taste, invites us to explore every corner of its coast. From hidden coves to vibrant beaches, Ibiza is world-renowned for its beaches in various locations north, south, east, and west. The island never ceases to amaze. If you're unsure which beach to visit on your next trip to the island, this video is for you. Hello beach and adventure lovers. Today we dive into the crystal clear waters of Ibiza to discover together where are the best beaches on this paradisiacal island. Let's find out together. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video on this channel, Ibiza's best places to stay in summer, the place where your travel dreams come true. Today, we embark on a magical adventure, a journey to the dazzling island of Ibiza, a paradise in the heart of the Mediterranean to see where the best beaches are. We start in the north, a sanctuary of tranquility. Here, Cala Bassa welcomes us with its turquoise waters and serene landscapes, perfect for those seeking a retreat from the hustle and bustle. Moving south, Playa del Bossa offers us a different rhythm. With its vibrant beach clubs and unparalleled energy, it's the ideal destination for party and sun lovers. In the west, Cala Bassa awaits us with its famous sunsets. The crystal clear waters and golden sand create the perfect setting for a dreamy sunset. Heading east, Cala Bassa offers a family-friendly and relaxed atmosphere. Its shallow waters and variety of services make it ideal for a peaceful getaway. Ibiza, with its beaches for every taste, invites us to explore every corner of its coast. From hidden coves to vibrant beaches, the island never ceases to amaze. Imagine a place where time stands still, where the waves gently caress the shore, and the sky merges with the sea in an eternal embrace. This is the north of Ibiza, a hidden paradise waiting to be discovered. Here, each beach is a guarded secret, a haven for lovers of peace and tranquility. From the serenity of Cala Bassa, with its crystal-clear waters perfect for snorkeling, to the wild beauty of Immerse, where sunsets turn into a mystical celebration with drums resonating to the rhythm of dusk. The north is a journey to the authentic, to the pure, an escape from the hustle and bustle where nature reigns supreme. Here, the beaches are more than a destination. They are an experience, a journey to the deepest part of your being, where you can connect with the essence of Ibiza. Now let yourself be carried to the south, where the energy of Ibiza manifests in all its splendor. The south is synonymous with life, party, an indomitable spirit that is reflected in every corner. Playa del Bossa, with its kilometric strip of golden sand, is the epicenter of this vibration, a place where the music never stops and every day is a celebration of life. Here, the beaches are fashion runways, stages for unforgettable parties, and meetings with people from all over the world. The south of Ibiza is a spectacle for the senses, a display of colors and total beauty. We continue on a magical journey through Ibiza, where beyond the famous beaches, hidden gems await to be discovered. Today, we delve into the island's most secret corners, those places where nature is shown in its purest state and peace reigns supremely. Imagine coves hidden among cliffs, fine sandy beaches accessible only by paths through pine trees, and waters so clear they seem taken from a dream. These secret beaches of Ibiza are sanctuaries of beauty and tranquility, where the only sound is the sea caressing the shore and the song of the birds. Here, every step is a discovery, each glance a painting of unparalleled beauty. Prepare to be part of this exclusive journey, where we will show you the most beautiful and lesser-known beaches of Ibiza. We continue our adventure in Cala Bassa, one of the most beautiful and least crowded beaches in the north of Ibiza. This small paradise, hidden among cliffs, is a perfect refuge for lovers of snorkeling and tranquility. Its turquoise and crystal clear waters invite you to dive into an underwater world full of life and color. The beach, surrounded by pristine nature, offers an ideal setting to disconnect and enjoy the peace that only Ibiza can offer. Here, time seems to stop, and every moment becomes an eternal memory. Cala Bassa is not just a beach. It's an experience that reconnects you with nature and with yourself. In our search for Ibiza's hidden gems, we've discovered that the island has much more to offer than its famous beaches and parties. It's a place of constant discovery, where each cove hides a story. Every beach is a world to explore. Ibiza is a treasure in the Mediterranean, and its secret beaches are the pearls that make it shine with its own light. If you ever find yourself in Ibiza, we invite you to explore these hidden gems, to live the experience of discovering Ibiza in its most pure and authentic state. Ibiza, an island that is much more than a party destination. Here, the beaches are the real treasure, a Mediterranean paradise that captivates all its visitors. From the crystal clear waters to the golden sands, each beach in Ibiza has its own magic. On this journey, we are discovering why Ibiza is a dream destination for beach lovers, the natural beauty, turquoise waters, and postcard landscapes that define the spirit of Ibiza. In contrast, the south of Ibiza is where the island's pulse is felt most strongly. Beaches like Playa d'Embosa and Esse's Salines are the epicenter of fun and social life. Here, music, beach bars, and water sports create a vibrant and energetic atmosphere. The South is ideal for those looking to combine relaxation on the beach with the excitement of Ibiza's nightlife. Ibiza, with its diversity of beaches, offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a quiet retreat or an energy-filled experience, Ibiza's beaches do not disappoint. We continue on this journey through the beaches of Ibiza, where we will unveil the island's best-kept secrets. We will not only discover the most impressive beaches of Ibiza, but also learn how to find these hidden gems. Ibiza is a treasure trove of natural beauties, and its secret beaches are true hidden paradises. We will explore secluded coves, crystal clear water beaches, and magical corners known only to a few. This journey will be an unforgettable adventure, a tour of the most authentic and surprising side of Ibiza. We continue our adventure in Ibiza's hidden coves, places like Es Portitzol, an almost secret cove, accessible only after a hike through forest trails. Here, time seems to stand still. The calm and crystal clear waters surrounded by cliffs and pristine nature create an atmosphere of absolute peace. Another hidden gem is Cala Bassa, a small paradise where the blue sea meets fishermen's cottages. These coves offer not only natural beauty, but also a unique experience of tranquility and connection with Ibiza's nature. Now let's talk about how to find these secret beaches. Many of them require a bit of effort, like hikes on little-known trails or even boat trips. For example, to reach Cala Bassa, you must venture along a rocky path, but the view of its turquoise waters surrounded by imposing cliffs makes it all worthwhile. If you're enjoying this video, we'd love your support with a like, as it greatly motivates us and helps us continue creating tutorials like this. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to keep exploring Ibiza with us. Another option is to explore the less accessible coastlines by boat, uncovering coves and beaches that are true hidden treasures. These experiences not only take you to stunning beaches, but also allow you to see Ibiza from a different perspective. In our search for Ibiza's secret beaches, we've discovered that the island has much more to offer than its famous beaches and parties. It's a place of constant discovery, where each cove hides a story, and every beach is a world to explore. Ibiza is a treasure in the Mediterranean, and its secret beaches are the pearls that make it shine in its own light. If you travel to this island, we invite you to explore these hidden gems, to live the experience of discovering Ibiza in its purest and most authentic state. Undoubtedly, one of our stops is Cala Bassa, a beach with turquoise waters and fine sand, known for its breathtaking sunsets. Here, nature is displayed in all its splendor, with panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea and small islands on the horizon. Cala Bassa is a place where millions of tourists gather every summer for its impressive sunsets. If you're thinking of traveling to Ibiza, don't forget to visit this place. You'll undoubtedly have a wonderful experience. Then we head to Cala Salada, a cove surrounded by pine forests and rocky cliffs, a perfect place highly visited by all tourists who summer in Ibiza. This tour of Ibiza has taken us through some of the most beautiful and diverse beaches in the world. From the tranquility of the north to the energy of the south, Ibiza offers a perfect beach for every visitor. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the wonders of Ibiza and find your perfect beach on this paradisiacal island. But this continues. Now we welcome you to Cala Bassa, a hidden gem on the west coast of Ibiza where the Mediterranean meets golden sand. Imagine a serene bay, surrounded by pine forests and cliffs, a place where nature and tranquility merge. Cala Bassa is renowned for its crystal-clear and turquoise waters, perfect for a refreshing swim or exploring the underwater world with snorkeling. The beach, with its fine and soft sand, is ideal for relaxing under the Ibizan sun or enjoying a sunset stroll. It's not just the natural beauty that makes Cala Bassa special. Here, you will also find the Cala Bassa Beach Club, a destination in itself. Imagine savoring delicious Mediterranean dishes with your feet in the sand while enjoying a breathtaking view of the sea. Cala Bassa is also accessible by ferry from San Antonio, offering a picturesque journey and a unique perspective of the Ibiza coast. For adventurers, the surroundings of Cala Bassa offer trails that wind through pine forests, ideal for exploring the local flora and fauna. And when the sun begins to set, the beach transforms. The colors of the sky blend with the sound of the waves, creating a magical spectacle. Cala Bassa is not just a beach. It's an experience that captures the essence of Ibiza. Natural beauty, relaxation, and a touch of luxury. So, if you're looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle, to immerse yourself in nature and enjoy unforgettable moments, Cala Bassa awaits you. Discover this paradise in Ibiza and take away memories that will last a lifetime. Now you are all welcome to Cala d'Hort, a magical corner in Ibiza, where the blue of the sky merges with that of the sea in an eternal embrace. This beach, located on the west side of Ibiza, is a sanctuary of tranquility, far from the hustle and bustle of the more touristy areas. Cala d'Hort is renowned for its breathtaking views of the mystical island of Esvedra, a place shrouded in legends and mystery. The beach, with its fine sand and crystal-clear waters, is a paradise for sun and sea lovers, perfect for swimming and relaxing. Here, time seems to stand still. Visitors can enjoy a day of peace, immersing themselves in the natural and serene environment. Cala d'Hort is also an ideal destination for food lovers. Local restaurants offer delicious dishes of fresh seafood and Ibizan cuisine. While enjoying a meal, visitors can witness the sunset, which paints the sky in shades of gold and pink, a spectacle not to be missed. For adventurers, there are small hiking trails leading to viewpoints from where you can reach this place. Which of these beaches do you think is truly the best? Which one would you like to visit first? We would love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't miss a single moment of our upcoming adventures. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Click the subscription button right below the video and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll join our community of passionate travelers and be the first to receive updates on new videos and exclusive content. Subscribe now and start experiencing the magic of Ibiza with us. See you in the next video.